Hi everyone, I am Reza and today I will show you how to create a realistic handwriting effect on Photoshop. So please open our Photoshop, then go to File and select a new page from here. Wait, I will convert this in pixel and white will be 1920 and then I just select height and put it on 080. Then color mode will be RGB. Okay, and now I just open our stock image gallery and drag a paper image on here. Zoom this image and press Shift and Alt to drag this into big and around this picture. Then click OK. And now I just select text tools and select a sample text in here. Just drag this image into big. Okay, and now I will select a text style from here. Just mark all text by pressing mouse and press Ctrl T and select move tools. And now I just select a italic text, just look like handwriting. Okay, I just select this text and now I click Ctrl T to transform this picture and move here. Okay, and now we just add a effect in here and now I click filter and click lens correction, click custom and minus from here, then click OK. So friends, if you enjoy this video, you can like, comment or subscribe our YouTube channel. which is Apple Graphics Studio. Spelling is AppleGraphicsTudio.